Welcome to the stream, guys. This is the weekly update stream on the 16th of June 2024. Nice to have you with us. Looks like we've got a nice crowd as well. Thanks for joining, guys. How are we all? How was your Father's Day?
Doing well. Self?
Is it the same date for you?
Yeah, it's Father's Day here.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, not for Brazil, no.
No.
It's in August here in Brazil.
Oh, is it? Okay.
What about
In Venezuela, it's a Father's Day, but here in Brazil, it goes on August, 11 of August.
Oh, is it? Okay. And is it the same for you, Charlie?
Father's Day today.
Yeah, happy Father's Day.
So
Happy Father's Day.
Have they done anything for you? Because I know you got quite the team over there. So
yeah, they drove me a bit crazy, but they made me cards, so it's all good.
Nice.
Yeah. I got woken up pretty early by my kids this morning, and they were really excited to present to me what they got me for Father's Day. Would you like to see it?
Oh, of course.
Let's see it.
Will be great.
Give me a second. I'm just going to have to prepare. All right. I'm
All
just
right.
going to go this way. Oh, wrong way. Give me a sec.
Oh, this is going to be good.
So this is what they got me for Father's Day. And if I just put this under my chin like this, and then
It's beautiful.
yeah.
Excellent.
Well, I've got a bit of a lazy eye, you see, on one side. I think I need a bit of WD-40 on that one. But yeah. But you get the gist, you know what I mean? And also, that wasn't the only thing. They got me this thing as well. Prepare as well. Prepare.
Boy. Oh, shit.
So,
It looks good.
What is that? What is
you're ready. I don't know for what, but you're ready.
can you put it in your mouth? Yeah. Anyway, that was my Father's Day.
I honestly didn't know anything like that even existed. So I'm mind blown right
Yeah.
now. Great
We've
gift.
all been educated now.
Well,
Anyway, yeah. So that was that. The kids obviously thought that was right up my alley, so that's what I got.
You didn't want to wear that for the rest of the stream?
All right.
No,
Say it again.
views definitely would have gone up.
Oh, should I leave it on then?
well, I was expecting something this morning,
Oh.
and then I asked my sons, "What are you gonna do? You don't gonna say Father's Day to me?" "Oh, Papa, we are living in Brazil. Here is no Father's Day." So I was like, okay, I understand.
All right. Let's get some. Oh, I went to see a Beatles tribute band yesterday as well. The Bootleg Beatles. They were absolutely epic.
Pretty good.
Really good.
Yeah.
Like you could literally close your eyes and you wouldn't tell the difference. If you opened them, you had to squint a little bit because they're getting on a bit. You know what I mean? So it's like
Right.
if you squinted a little bit, then yeah, it was the Beatles. But if you literally open your eyes, then it was definitely not the Beatles. I should have took these with me, to be fair. But anyway, they were really good as well. So yeah, I've had a nice weekend actually. All right, let's get started with this weekly update. Let's have a look what we've got. Charlie, do you want to start us off?
I can, sure. What am I starting us off on? I don't have the no, sorry. Looks like I'm smacking myself in the face. It's
All right,
black flies and mosquitoes. I have the shop doors open because the miners are going right next to me and it's kind of warm in the shop. And of course, the warmth draws in the bugs as well. So I have black flies and mosquitoes and stuff. So if I'm smacking myself in the head, it's not actually smacking myself in the head. I'm trying to kill a bug. So
Oh,
yeah, I
yeah.
can start us.
Winterborn updates.
Yeah, the world build is continuing, and we're working on one of the second main towns. Just what it is, we're working on as well some animations in the first town, such as in the middle of town, there's a big magical fire burning. So we're working on the animations for the fire and some other small fires around the village. And also working on some more of the player-based statistics and skills and whatnot, and as well as some quests for the game. So yeah, things are still rolling along slowly but surely there on that front.
Awesome stuff. We have had some more bridge work done, which is you've probably heard before, is the RTM Atara or Arterra bridge. It has had phase 1 testing completed, with another apparent 2 to 3 days of private testing and hardening by the main man below me here, Charlie. Then you'll be pleased to hear we are then opening it up to the masses. So exciting stuff on that. Charlie, do you Raptorium code IPFS?
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing as what was mentioned last week. The API kind of middleman app that Tree is working on between the wallet and the collaborative IPFS cluster, which will be a community cluster, and the community will be able to add nodes to it easily. That's ongoing. We're getting there. And then also work on the actual integration into Raptorium Core, which is the ability, obviously, to add files when you create an asset to attach, files with IPFS to that asset. And the wallet will also display that asset inside the wallet. So if, let's say, you have a knife and you have created an asset for it and you've attached an IPFS asset to it, picture, whatever, it will display in the wallet as well. So that is ongoing. We're getting close. I don't think it'll be
Hold on, you said the IPFS image will display in the wallet.
Yep.
That is epic. I didn't know that was going to actually happen, but if that's going to happen, then next to all the assets we've got the actual logos.
Yep.
Then that's going to be pretty epic, really.
Yeah.
And I assume that's going to be viewable on the Explorer as well, right?
Yeah, the Explorer is going to be updated to do the same thing. Obviously, we need more detailed information on the assets, images, what's attached to the asset, etc. That is coming after the integration into the core wallet.
Awesome.
So the Explorer will get an upgrade as well.
Yeah, that's really good news. I'm happy to hear that. David will be off most of the coming week for travel. He's doing some, what could we call it? Winging it, I suppose. He's doing a bit of that. And he's also working on a, as of yet, unmentionable project. So yeah, so you won't see much of David this week. Also, something that Charlie's really interested in is the fact that we had a small little pump. Not financial advice, do your own research. Nice to see a zero going missing, that was for sure. Oh, he's gone. I did give the disclaimer, Charlie, you don't have to run away.
Bye.
I'm sorry, Charlie, I didn't mean to say that.
I'll forgive you.
We've started to wind down the RTM testnet nodes, Charlie, right?
Yeah, we're winding those down because we don't need to have 450 nodes paid right now. We saw what we needed to see with the quorums and RIP01, etc. So we're going to scale it down to, well, on our end, about around 200 nodes and keep it there for a bit to keep monitoring things. But yeah, we're taking down, 20, 30 nodes a day, reducing the numbers until we get down to a smaller number, about 200.
I suppose that's also to see how the network behaves when they're removed in small chunks gradually.
Yeah, we'll
As
see
well.
how that behaves and make sure that the quorums behave properly as those have come down. So far everything looks good, no problems, nice
Yeah.
and smooth. So,
I just want to say a big thanks to all the node providers that have helped us in this testnet phase and give us some good rates on the nodes and things like that. It's vibing as well with iNodes over there has been helping out. It's been absolutely awesome, the support we've been getting. I know that we've had a little, well, quite a lot actually, of to and fro between some of the node providers with updates and tweaks here and there and different ways of doing tests and things. So yeah, big thanks to all of the node providers for helping out and making the RTM mainnet assets code more stronger by doing all of this. So thank you again.
yeah, they've been outstanding, really. All the shared node providers have worked with us really closely. They've went out of their way to help us out. And as far as getting log files and debugging and all types of stuff, they've been absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
So we appreciate them.
And that rolls on to the fact that now you can host your mainnet nodes at NodeHub. We only had Pecunia before, which was obviously a very competitive rate, but now you can do them at nodehub.io, which is what I think is $1.86 or something like that per month.
$1.89.
Oh, $1.89. Well, there you go. Well, that's extremely competitive, and I think that's probably the cheapest around right now. I think Pecunia is about $2, isn't it? Something like that.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it works out almost $2.
Yeah.
$1.90.
And those guys have been top, absolutely brilliant during the testnet node deployments and things. So, we wouldn't be mentioning them on here unless we were confident that their service was very good, and we've used them ourselves as well. So. Yeah, go check that out. That's nodehub.io. And my assets launch team has been contacting and emailing some of the companies that we've got lined up for promos, just to get a feel for what's offered and the prices. Then we're going to be planning how we're going to execute the assets release from a marketing perspective. Some imminent tasks include work on a complete guide to assets creation and deployment and sending, etc. For the document site. That's still got to be done. Also, something that needs to be done as well, it's pretty important for assets release, is a fresh assets white paper. I have started the white paper and just maybe a few more days work on that and I might have that finished. In terms of the marketing deployment, there is a little bit of a small issue, and that's the way that we've built the network with the way our RIP01 works, how it gradually deploys access to the new code on the network based on governance. This means that promo at the exact minute is hard to judge. So the research that my team are doing, we're looking for powerful places to conduct our marketing, but whom are slightly flexible in when they will allow us to allow our promos to go live as well. But we will have sort of a ballpark firm date and time as it draws closer to the crunch time when it is deployed, right, Charlie?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay. In terms of the outreach that we're doing, results should start coming in the next couple of days, and then we're really excited to get the final execution plan rolling for the marketing and and then it looks like I'm going to be spending a little bit of money, doesn't it? Alejandro, how are you?
Very well. Thank you, guys. Happy Father's Day, like I say in the beginning. We are fine. Here in home, we are excellent. And in the community, we are excellent too. I finished with the translation of the social place we are building, Sonar Raptor, and it's very good. We are going to release it for testing on the community, and I'm going to invite some people to test to see how is everything going. I hope this week the people will like it. I like it. I really personally like it a lot.
Yeah.
And well, I guess good things are coming this weeks.
Anything else, Alejandro?
Well, I'm going to enjoy all these days that are coming. We are actually very happy, and hearing about the wallet, what is Charlie saying about the wallet, that make me more happy. I really like that.
What with the IPFS logos inside the wallet?
Oh yes,
that's
to see.
That's going to bring it to life. I'm really excited about that. That's really going to be a nice touch. Definitely.
Yes.
Sherm, how are you, and how's everyone at the Discord?
I'm doing well. I mean, everybody at Discord is doing well. You know, happy Father's Day to everybody. Hope Dad's out there. Hope you're enjoying your day. You know, everybody's excited for assets. You know, all the news is coming out. Everybody's anxious to get going. But you know, thanks again to all the people that are testing the bridge and the wallet and all that. Seems like it's all been going very well. And as with Thursdays, you know, Fine Ride was busy. You know, he canceled Thursday trivias, but Jeff Starlipper reached out to me. Wanted to keep trivia going for Thursdays. Said he would fund it. Asked me to run it. So Thursday trivias are back on.
Oh yeah.
And we got, yep. So we're gonna do the community trivias just like Monday. You know, so if you answer the question right, you ask the next question. So we had one this past Thursday. We'll have one coming Thursday, and hopefully from Thursday trivias.
Yeah, I might just not do Thursday trivias ever again now you've just said that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many Thursday trivias have you done? You know?
It was 300 and, well, it was Mondays and Thursdays. I've got the figure for that. It's like 329 or something like that. Last I looked. But there's a lot of them that haven't even been put on there, because when we started them, it was just literally text. I had no images or anything. So, but yeah.
They weren't official. Testnet trivia.
Testnet trivia.
Yeah, it's once before they counted. They didn't really count. Like
oh yeah, that's right. Testnet trivia. I get what you're saying now. Yeah, yeah. So it's over 330. I know that, which is a lot. It's a lot. But you know, I've really enjoyed the trivia nights, and I enjoy being salty with the community. You know,
he enjoys it. Everybody getting salty with your rig trivia. And
yeah,
all your rig.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, I used to do trivia nights at another project I worked at years and years ago, and we used to do it used to be just like a normal trivia night with normal boring questions, you know, and it wasn't working for quite a while. People just weren't interested in doing it, and when I changed the questions so that they were just ridiculous, like the most ridiculous questions you could ask a community. And it was only those questions that drew the people in and kept people coming back, because they were like, you know, this isn't unlike any other trivia anywhere else. Normal trivia masters never ask you these things. So they kept coming back and playing. And so, I mean, this was a project a long time ago, maybe back in 2015, 2016 probably. So I thought, well, if I'm going to do trivia at Raptorium, I've got to make it even worse. And that's why it's always been busy, I think, because it's just completely ridiculous trivia. It's the most ridiculous trivia in blockchain, and I'm proud about that.
100%. No other company is more salty and rigged than yours, for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, Dirty Miner's got
He's pretty good.
yeah, he's pretty good, but I think he's only learned from me, hasn't he?
Yeah. You are the master. He's just the apprentice.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. As you know, we're all excited for Assets Release. We're all working hard to get this out, and there is still more work for you to do to get testing. The more you test, the quicker this is going to get released. It's as simple as that, really. So please get in that channel and help with the testing of the code. We want to make sure this is absolutely perfect before it comes out. There is a Google sheet, so if you do find any issues with the wallet and things like that, you can add to the Google sheet. I know many of you are now saying, well, there's not really a lot to say about it because it's working superbly, but there might be something somewhere in the code that has been missed, in some of the menus or anything like that. So please guys, go check that out to get this sped up so we can get the main released. Anything else you want to say on that, Charlie?
I don't know, that's about it. I mean, you don't need to know the intricacies of the mechanics of the blockchain, consensus, blah blah, mining, to go test the Raptorium Core wallet. It's something I kind of see people saying, well, I don't really know this, I don't know that. Just, go through the wallet, I mean, and test. You can see on the spreadsheet what has been tested. Most of the GUI stuff I've already went through and tested. But I mean, if you open up the console window and type help, you have this massive list of commands that is spit out. And that's all like stuff that needs to be tested. Some of that is stuff that's used in the GUI through like the menu options, send, receive, etc. But a lot of that stuff is tested outside of the GUI, like not directly. But all of those commands that are listed, if you type help and then the name of that command, it's going to give you a detailed explanation and even samples of how you can run that command. So it's kind of all there. And if you have any questions or you're getting an error or whatever, just drop it in the testnet channel and we'll be there to help you out with the testing. Just play with it, experiment with it. It's a good way to get familiar with how the wallet works and how the blockchain works, because you're interfacing directly with the blockchain. And so, I mean, it's an excellent way to learn about it. And yeah, and it helps us obviously speed up getting our next release, including assets on the mainnet, the more testing that we have going on there. So there's still lots to be tested. You're not too late. So
testers get paid.
Yeah, if you need testnet coins, just ask in the testnet channel as well. There's plenty of people, plenty of testnet RTM that can send you some testnet RTM to get rolling.
Yeah,
you bet. You bet.
All right, cheers, guys. I'm just going to check over the chats now to see if there's any comments for us. Looks like Zed's got his shirt from Hawk Mining. Nice to see a Raptorium shirt there. Hawk's got a few different options for Raptorium shirts if you want to go and check that out. Thanks for sharing that, Zed. Guys, if you've got any questions for us, you're more than welcome to shoot them over into the stream party chat. We'll answer absolutely anything. And same goes for the YouTube channel as well. FE is asking, where is Piggy? Piggy's on a secret mission to the moon.
Secret mission to the moon.
Yeah. RBA, nice to see you in the chat, RBA. News Crypto saying we need a listing for Bybit. They're actually listing pretty much anyone these days. Did you see that? Did you see that rug the other day? That
beer.
Oh, that was it, beer. Yeah.
Yeah.
They pulled out like $15 million or some shit like that.
Yeah, beer token. Yeah.
Okay. MNA 1976 is asking, question: Will the dual yield bridge benefit people using the node hosting service like iNodes and Sully nodes? Charlie?
Really, Big Piggy has talked about that a little bit, but I'm not going to touch on that because that's his wheelhouse, and I'm not sure exactly what he's got planned there. So I would say next time you see Big Piggy, ask him about it.
Okay, HNS has got a question. How will you know testnet testing is finished? Charlie?
Oh, is that for me?
That's for you.
How will we know testnet?
Yeah, say it 10 times really fast. I bet you can't.
I can't even say it once. Well, you know, because we release onto mainnet. You know, we'll announce a new release, and that will be assets onto mainnet. And well, testnet testing never finishes. I mean, we're not stopping development, right? So we'll release onto mainnet, and then testnet's going to continue. It's not going to stop because we have way more plan than what's coming out right now. So testnet's not going to stop. It's not going to be finished, but we will conclude this round of testing with the mainnet release.
Yeah, don't forget, guys, we have the transaction decoupling as well, which is being worked on. So we need a testnet, don't we? And
yeah, I mean, we're going to roll
like,
it the existing testnet, right?
Yeah. Falcon saying a teensy testnet testing tongue twisters.
Could be a trivia thing.
Yeah, it could be. Teasing teensy testnet testing tongue twisters. I did pretty well there, I think.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's it 3 times pretty fast, you know.
All right, guys. We're going to have a small interlude into the CryptoSmith stream, so don't you dare go anywhere. We're going to start that 20 to the hour, I suppose. Yeah, we'll do that 20 to the hour, so from 9 minutes from now. The actual title for the stream, which is Like the Wind, I don't think it has anything to do with what CryptoSmith is working on today, for the simple reason is I just made it up. Yeah.
Okay.
I just said Like the Wind to Smith, and he was like, yeah. So unless he's going to be making a metal windmill or a fan or something like that, that could be something.
Garden spinners, you know, with garden spinner things.
I mean, that's a possibility.
It could be a fart catcher too.
Possible too.
Oh, we got one more question in. HNS is saying, when do you know it is ready for mainnet?
When do we know it's ready for mainnet? When we're absolutely 100% satisfied that it's tested, it's bulletproof, and that we haven't missed anything.
Okay. Anything else, guys, before we go? Zed's been farting all throughout the stream. Cheers, bro. All right. Yep, stick around then, guys. We do have the Smith stream coming up in 7 minutes. Thank you for joining this part of the stream. And it has been yet another pleasure.
Yep, see you soon.